Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory. And there we go, there's the Big Bang Theory. Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, Season 4, Season 5, Season 6. Let's check Season 6. Give it a quick second to process. And there we go, there's all your episodes. Let's watch episode 3. Choose a server, any server. And there you go, you're watching your Big Bang Theory.
Hey, Bernie.
Hey, look at the astronaut party.
Okay, I guess. Just being cooped up in this.
Okay, let's go to video. Videos. Let's go back again. Let's choose movies. Search.
Can you do something?
Oh, Jobs. Steve Jobs. That's the latest film out, isn't it? One of the latest. Jobs.
Drop something so I can watch it fall.
Let's choose a server to go off. Oh, I've watched this before. Oh, that server's not working, so you go down to the next server. Should we fast forward into the film? Let's have a look. And there you go, you're watching the film. Steve Jobs.
The moment of your death is fixed. Life is but a journey through serenity.
I don't even think that's available on DVD yet. If you can't find what to watch, you could go into featured. Give it a minute to load, and there you go, you've got a list of whatever you want to watch. Chucky, I think that's just come out at the cinema. Insidious 2, that's just come out at the cinema. Or is it still on at the cinema? Still on at the cinema.
We have cams.
Oh, that server doesn't work. That's why you get a choice of so many. And there's your Insidious 2. Conjuring, Lone Ranger, everything you can ever imagine. After Earth, The Family, Jobs, Hangover Part 3, it's all there.